Star?
They are sisters.
Star.
Star is a little bigger than the Coochie. Coochie is very playful, and Star also very, very playful.
Star?
They like to play with the people, and they like to play with anyone. Even get along very good with the cats. They are almost nearly 2.5 years old. All of them are the female. They are looking for the home. Hi, this is Coochie. Hi, this is Coochie. Hi, this is Star. Star, how are you? Fine. This is Star.
Star.
Hi, very good girl. Very cute. This is Star. This is Coochie.
Coochie, come.
Coochie, come. Coochie, come.
Coochie, good.
Coochie, very good girl.